In this video, we learn about the environment of Report Server Project using Visual Studio 2019. For this, we need to open Visual Studio and you have to click Continue Without Code and you will see this interface. Go to the File and click New Project. And here you can see you have to choose here a Report Server Project. This one. And click Next. So we can say first project, and here you need to set the location by using this button browse, and you can choose any location, right? So I will keep this location as it is, and then the last option is the place solution and project in the same directory. So I need the project and this solution file should be in the same directory. The solution name will be the same as the name of the projects. For example, if I say first project 1 to 3, so here you can see the solution name will be exactly the same as the project name. So later on I will tell you about what is the difference between the project and the solution. So we have to click create. So here you can see the name of the solution is first project. So in this whole window, you can see there are different partitions. The first partition is Solution Explorer that contain the name of the solution, the project, shared data sources, shared data set, and reports. And the second tab is Team Explorer, where you have to use TFS, the Team Foundation Server, for check in, check out your reports and sharing your reports across your team. The next partition is Properties. Here you will see the properties of different components in your report. And here you can see the upper left corner is a toolbox and it will contain different controls once we will create any report here. This partition is output. Here you will see if there is some error in your report or where you have deployed your reports, all the messages you will see here. These are the different menus: file, edit, view, get, project, and we will see time to time depending on the situation that what we are going to do.